Hello everyone, welcome to Crash Chronicles, where we showcase 50 incredible moments on the road that you won't believe. Turn on the best sound for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's go. It seems that the car had a problem, and the driver could not control the direction of the car. An old lady caused a collision at the intersection because she ran a red light. I think she was distracted while driving.
I mean, it's kind of like Marlon's jeans where you get like the end of the phone.
What the dude? Phone doesn't like migrate over to the front of my leg as I'm walking, and that both look.
What happened to that car? The idiot in the car suddenly changed lanes and collided with the car next to it. What was he trying to do on the road?
Some clarity in the next, 8 weeks before they we should find ourselves through some pretty tricky rides.
Which car do you think was at fault in this collision? Make sure both lanes are clear before crossing the road to avoid unexpected incidents.
Dude, what the?
I think the driver in the opposite car was distracted while driving. Luckily, everything was fine. A stupid driver ran a red light and crashed into an intersection in Chicago. Both cars were totaled. I think this guy should learn how to reverse, and worse, he drove away after hitting another car. What was that bad driver trying to do on the road? His driving style was crazy. The car lost control and drove straight into the concrete wall, causing a collision and then sliding along the road. The pickup truck stopped so suddenly that the driver could not react in time and hit the back of the car.
What? Really? So what do you want? $1 million? No?
The pickup truck suddenly had a tire blowout, causing the car to lose control and collide with the median. Regular tire maintenance is recommended to avoid unwanted problems. A car collided with cars parked on both sides of the road in a neighborhood at night. Do you know what happened to that car? The idiot in the car went into the wrong lane when turning left, causing a collision with the car next to it. The collision happened so suddenly at the intersection because one of the two cars intentionally ran a red light. Luckily, both drivers were fine. The pickup truck driver caused a collision with the car next to it while trying to cross the lane to get ahead. Where did that car come from? The driver probably didn't expect this collision to happen. Which car do you think is at fault in this case? The white car intentionally ran a red light and caused a collision. I think the driver will have to pay a large amount of insurance. The bad driver in the black car ran away after colliding with the car in the same direction. Thanks for watching this episode of Idiots in Cars. Which clip shocked you the most? Have you ever witnessed something similar? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.